So, good afternoon. Hey, we've been busy. That main structure is the building that I got. I'm not sure if I ever covered that in a video or not. It's a steel structured building built by Jefford Steel about 40 years ago. It's been moved twice. This would be the third time. And we're adding two 16-foot bays on each side. It's going to have number 2 stone floor. We are going to have cement on the main door, which we're right behind the Dodge pickup and the trailer, which will be a 12 by 12. And the original 10 by 12 by 10 door will go here. It's 12 foot wide, 10 foot high. So it'll go on that bay. That bay is going to be closed in, but accessible from the other end. Jordon's going to park his dump truck excavator in there. Hey, pretty good shot of the old Ford, huh? No time for that right now. So we've done a lot of moving around, done a lot of cement work in preparation. The steel is ordered for the building. We're using as much of the old steel, the sides, as we can on the exterior. All new tin on the roof. So, and one new door. Getting there. Hey, have a great one. Catch you soon.